Christmas is not over yet. We are here for dinner. This place called as Kokni Canteen, and it's hard to get in here, but somehow we managed to get in. Now we are waiting for our turn. Okay, so it was a great meal. We had great fun, and the meal was very Konkani, as they say. And at the end, we had that sweet dish. It is known as Seradura. If you ever visit here, you must try that sweet dish also. Okay, now we are going to the hotel. It's 26th December and it's 1:30 in the afternoon. I just woke up and so today I have no plans at all. My friends have some plans and they went to see some places in Goa, but I have no plans for today. Actually, today is my day. I'll be doing whatever I want to do. Actually, I have no plans. I will not be making any plans. I woke up at any time I want. I probably will not take shower today. So I'll just wake up. I'll wear my clothes, anything that I can get, and then I'll go out. And then I'll explore the place, or I'll do nothing. Let's see what happens next. I'll keep posting. Shades, shirt with roll on sleeves, jeans, my Converse. Let's get out. Okay, so today we decided to do nothing, but I gotta eat something. Okay, so let's find out what can I eat. I'll not eat any healthier options today. I will eat all the unhealthy stuffs. Let's see what all the things we can get to eat. I ate a big fat burger. Then I went to a coffee shop. I sat there for an hour, doing nothing, just looking at the street. Then I came back home. I ordered a pizza and then went out for filming. And this is what I filmed. Okay, let's talk something important. See, if you like my work, you do not need to, do that YouTube thing, you do not have to like, you do not have to subscribe and all that. If you like my work, just come back again. Keep checking on me if I upload anything new. Let's keep this community secret, you know. Yeah.